Wild Alaska salmon are not only an exciting fish to pursue with a rod and reel, but they're also a superfood, as every single part of a wild salmon, from head to tail, is loaded with powerful, high-quality nutrients. An often underutilized part of the salmon is the roe, that is, the eggs from the female fish. While many local fishermen harvest and cure the eggs and then use them for bait to catch more fish, the roe can also be turned into a wonderful delicacy, and that is caviar. Now technically, true caviar is made from salted sturgeon eggs. However, the term caviar is still used in reference to the salted roe of other species of fish, such as salmon. Now I have to admit, I was not too hot on the idea of eating fish eggs the first time it was offered to me, and this seems to be the case for most people. However, after I put my preconceived notions aside and actually tried it, I absolutely loved it and started making it as often as possible. Not only is it fantastically delicious as an appetizer or snack, but again, it's also super healthy. Salmon roe is loaded with pure, fresh, heart and brain healthy omega-3, antioxidants, vitamins D, B12, C, E, as well as other nutrients such as selenium, folate, and thiamine. It's also interesting to point out that the roe, along with the head and skin of a salmon, are the most preferred parts by the bears that feast on them throughout the summer months. In fact, when there's a large, fresh run of salmon entering a river, bears will often devour these tasty parts first and not even touch the main flesh of the fish until later. Making salmon roe caviar is very easy. That is, if you have access to fresh salmon roe. But if you don't, you can often purchase it at specialty fish or sushi markets, or you can use this recipe with the eggs of fish that are more accessible in your area, such as trout, for example. Here's how to make it. Step 1. Mix 4 cups of water with a half a cup of salt in a large mixing bowl. Step 2. Separate the individual salmon eggs from the skein membrane. Now, an easy way to do this is to place a tennis racket or some kind of a large screen over the bowl of brine mixture and gently rub the whole skein over the racket or screen until the eggs work loose from the skein tissue and fall into the bowl. Step 3. Gently stir the eggs in the brine mixture for about 20 minutes. Now, you don't have to stir non-stop, but just occasionally to keep the eggs mixed well while curing in the brine. Step 4. Place the brined eggs in a strainer over the top of another smaller bowl to contain the strained liquid. Cover the strainer of eggs with plastic wrap and let it strain overnight while in the refrigerator. Step 5. Serve on crackers with a small dollop of sour cream, chopped red onions, capers, lemon zest, or other toppings of your choice, and enjoy. So there you have it, my friends. That's a simple way to make delicious and nutritious salmon roe caviar. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com. And finally, if you'd like to support this channel, click on the link in the video description below to find out more.